Understanding unfolding naturally in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and commonly used phrase in the English language: unfolding naturally. This phrase is rich in meaning and can add a layer of depth to your conversations. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily English communication. When something is unfolding naturally, it is happening in a smooth, effortless manner, without any forced intervention or artificial influence. Imagine a flower blooming on its own or a story developing without the author forcing the plot. This phrase captures the essence of ease and organic progression in various contexts, whether it be events, relationships, or processes. To understand how unfolding naturally is used in everyday language, let's look at some examples. In personal growth, she allowed her career path to unfold naturally, trusting that the right opportunities would come at the right time. In relationships, they didn't rush things. Instead, they let their relationship unfold naturally, which made their bond stronger. In storytelling, the plot of the novel unfolds naturally, captivating the reader without any forced twists. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to different aspects of life, emphasizing a gentle progression or development over time. There's a beauty in allowing things to unfold naturally. It often leads to more genuine outcomes and can reduce the stress associated with forcing situations to happen a certain way. By understanding and using this phrase, you can express a philosophy of patience and trust in the natural flow of life, which is a valuable perspective in both personal and professional contexts. Incorporating unfolding naturally into your speech is a great way to convey patience, trust, and a belief in organic development. Use it when you want to. Encourage someone to have patience with a process. Describe how something developed in a relaxed and unforced way. Express your personal approach to letting life's events unfold. Remember, the key is to use it in contexts where the emphasis is on natural progression or development without forced efforts. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and usage of unfolding naturally. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is also a journey that unfolds naturally, so embrace each step with patience and curiosity. Until next time, keep practicing, and see where your language learning journey unfolds.